Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. It's September 14th at Bellagio inside the conservatory at night. This is the new fall display. Lots of pumpkins, owls, and much more you can see throughout. And lots of people walking by. See cattails just ahead, pumpkins in the middle, water spouts, and a pumpkin gazebo in the center. Some dragonflies hanging from the sky along with many leaves. See what looks to be a treehouse up ahead with smoke coming from a chimney. On this side, more of the dragonflies, and you see two owls inside of the pumpkin structure. There are hinges on the door opening the pumpkin. Over here, another owl on the side, various flowers up above. More mushrooms, some a little bit higher as sort of a mushroom treehouse, some on the ground as well. And many people inside of this gazebo taking photos. Still pretty crowded. This is a new display, not even listed on their website. As I checked yesterday, it's still showing the old information. So this was put up quite recently. In the center here, another pumpkin with water going down on all of its sides. See a little bit closer to the gazebo. On the bottom, lots of flowers. We're getting toward another section. See all these pumpkins or maybe gourds on the bottom. Another pumpkin in the middle with the water spouts. More of the cattails. And coming closer to the biggest part of the display, see an owl up above with the Bellagio sign atop it, and this sort of treehouse structure. A light on the bottom, many of the orange colors on the side, and a waterfall coming from the top of this treehouse-like structure. It looks like wind chimes up ahead as well, and what seems to be the spirit of fall. See the horns on the head, the human-like features going down to the feet, and the flowers making some sort of crown below the horns. The dragonflies lighting up. We get to see a different type of display as it's nighttime. I had a previous video during the day that looks a lot different than this one. You can see the lights at the bottom of the mushrooms. Some of the dark light coming from the ceiling, perhaps reflecting down. See the yellows in the middle with all the red flowers. Pretty cool effect. We're back to the frog king or prince. See butterfly in this sort of stained glass, and more of the mushrooms on the side. LED screen at the back showing the display, animating it very 3D and vibrant with the smokestacks as well. On this side you get another pumpkin-like structure, green this time, carved out. You can see a space that one will walk inside, and another light on this side glowing orange. This is the new fall 2025 display here at Bellagio, Las Vegas. Here for about a week during my birthday month of September. Always lots to see and do in Las Vegas. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.